If you've already built the Dirty Hovel and you're ready to take things to the next level, the Tavern Bundle is hands down the best first proper purchase in the Clicky Walls range. Why? Because it gives you everything you need to start building proper large scale impressive tabletop buildings, the kind that really anchor your board and make your games feel alive. The Tavern isn't just one building, it's a full modular system. You can build exactly as shown, or you can reconfigure it into something completely different. Make it taller, make it wider, extend it, break it into multiple buildings. It's entirely up to you. And because it's fully modular, each level lifts off independently. The Tavern Bundle also gives you all the core structural pieces you need: bricks, walls, doors, multiple roof sections, and the connectors that make everything click together solidly. Once you've built this, you'll understand the entire Clicky Wall system. It's the Foundation Bundle. From here you can expand into town centres, farmsteads, hovels, inns, guild halls, whatever your campaign needs. The Tavern Bundle gives you scale, flexibility, proper playability, and a system you can keep building on forever.